Chapter Correlation. Here there are finding three methods for relation between x and y. First method, Spearman's rank method, already we have discussed in previous video. Now method 2, scatter diagram, that is graphical method, and third method is Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. Now we are finding the relation between two variable x and y using graphical method. Suppose the data as like, यानी कि question is find correlation या coefficient of correlation using graphical method, and the value of x and y given, xy given 10, 15, 9, 8, 7, this type of values given, and now we are plotting this value x and y on graph paper, and you will get, यानी कि two variable plotted along x and y axis, then we get following possibilities of graph, and then from graph how can decide the rank. Okay, here rank perfect relation है, high degree, moderate, low degree, and there is no relation. Suppose this example given x and y value, plotted x values along x axis, y values along y axis, x may be demand, y may be supply, x may be the advertised expenditure, y be the sale. This type of data given, and then this data plot on graph paper, then you will get the first possibility as like graph, यानी कि if x is 10, y 15, if x is 20, then y possible, suppose 30, maybe 29, maybe 28. मतलब what indicate here, if x increase, then y also increase. In this case, you will get positive relation, and the graph you will get rising. The graph you will get rising graph here. So this type of value from data you plot, and rising straight line gives perfect relation. तो ये जो values है, this value is given after plotting the first possibility, the graph you will get as like. So here rising straight line indicate perfect positive correlation. The values r is equal to plus 1. So then say in same example, suppose x and y, here if x is increase and y decrease, one variable increase, y decrease. For example, suppose this x is equal to 11, that time y is equal to maybe possibility 25. This is not correct. Okay, let's take particular example. Here x is increase, suppose x equal to 17, then y decrease. Correct? So in this case the graph you will get following, and the relation will get negative, यानी कि one variable increase, other is decrease. Okay, यानी कि मतलब supply increase, then price decrease, supply decrease, then price increase. This type of data. So here after plotting the values on graph paper, you will get the following straight line. So here following straight line indicate perfect negative correlation. The value of R is -1. What indicate minus sign here? One variable increase, other decrease. यानी कि see here x and y. If y decrease, x increase. In this case, you will get negative correlation. So this type of correlation. Now suppose after plotting this x and y value on graph paper, the next possibility you will get as like the all points not lies on straight line, but some few points the just outside the line, not at. So here you will get one narrow strip. Here you will get some narrow strip, and this indicate the value is not 1. Our correlation value always lies between -1 and 1. Okay, so here -1 and 1. So obviously this value we are taking here rising narrow strip indicate high degree relation. Here value R lies between 0.75 and 1, but not including 1 up to 0.99999. This gives the high degree correlation. Same case here, following narrow strip indicate high degree correlation. Value of R lies between -1 and -0.75, not including -1 here. For -1 there is perfect relation, the all points lies on the straight line. So rising indicate positive because both variable increase, both are increase. Yeah, one variable increase, other decrease, one increase, other decrease. In that case you will get negative correlation. So here perfect relation, high degree correlation. The width of narrow strip not indicate here ki some value ki 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 mm, not such like. The graph, observe your graph in first quadrant and decide this is narrow, ya broad, ya scattered point. Next, here moderate positive correlation. All points not lies on the straight line. Some few points outside this straight line, rising and falling. But here the width of strip as compared to high degree slightly broader. Okay, so rising strip indicate moderate positive correlation. Moderate means not good, not bad. Not good, not bad. In same other case, following straight line indicate following straight line indicate following strip indicate moderate negative correlation. The values here lies between value lies between 0.5 including to 0.75 not including. Okay, here the relation between two variable x and y, here minus 0.75 to minus 0.5 this value. Okay, now low degree, same example, the value x and y given and these two variable you plotted along x axis and y axis. Then these are possibilities of graph, and from out of this graph anyone you will get for this example, and observe and give the correlation answer using graphical method. Okay, now low degree, the situation here few points, now too much points outside the average line, yani here just all point lies on the line, these few points outside the average middle line, yani gives narrow strip, then slightly strip width increase, yani some few points away from many points away from average line. The distance between average line and this may be large. In this case, the relation between x and y is very low degree relation, yani bad relation. This type of correlation we can't use for forecasting or for estimation of values. Okay, now here r value lies between not including 0 but here including and not including 0.5 also, here minus 0.5, both values are not included. Here rising broad strip indicate positive low degree correlation, is very bad relation. Now following broad strip indicate low degree negative low degree correlation. And last, after plotting x and y, the possibility of graph, the last possibility, fifth, is common for both positive negative. Here no relation. What type of example in no relation? What type of example in positive correlation? One variable increase, other also increase, one decrease, other also decrease. Okay, so demand increase, price also increase. Demand decrease, price also decrease. That time positive relation. If supply increase, price decrease. Supply decrease, तो price increase, that time negative relation. Okay, so this rising and falling indicate. Now no relation. For example, demand and that is rainfall and bus production. There is no relation between bus production and rainfall. In this case, we can say that there is no relation, but by mathematically what value of r you will get in case of no relation. Here r is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. In this case, we can say that no relation between x and y. So this type of graph you will get just scattered points. Okay, so whole first quadrant is covered by these points. यानी कि we can't draw straight line, no narrow strip या any type of strip, and these scattered points indicate there is no relation between x and y. Okay, thank you.